Okay, just getting off work here. Snowing pretty good, as you can see. It was snowing when I came to work at 2, and it started snowing. I guess it was about 1 o'clock it started snowing. So we have several inches already. I've had to clean my car off twice at work, so we're gonna see how the Mirage does here in the snow with these new Vredestein tires. I had no trouble coming to work or getting up the hill or anything, and driving in the snow doesn't bother me. Pretty covered already. So damn cold. 22, but it said it feels like 8. Sprayers will work or not. Yep, they did. Good. That one must be all iced up because it's so cold. Yeah, it's kind of always deep here on this turn. This one doesn't feel like it's hardly been plowed at all, oddly enough. Once you go across this light, it's like a slight uphill to the right there. So hopefully I don't have any trouble. Get these defrosters up a little more. So far, it's just kind of gliding right up it. And it's pretty deep here. Alright, just wanted to do a quick video of the snow. It's having no problem. Traction light hasn't come on once, or it hasn't slid at all. You can see it's pretty good on the road.